A tricked-out trike. Cool Harley-Davidson styling. Pedal-powered, big-foot pedals make it easy for little riders to get rolling. Rugged, durable tires and stable wheelbase for added safety. Easy grip handlebars. Shhh Secret storage compartment under the seat. Kids will love cruising along on this Harley-Davidson style tricycle with durable and rugged tires that help take them wherever they want to go. Cool features like the secret storage compartment under the comfort ride seat add to the fun. And the wide, stable wheelbase, easy grip handlebars and big foot pedals help even the littlest riders get rolling. Top reviews from the United States. Fits my tall 3-year-old grandson well. This was purchased for my almost 3-year-old grandson. Has in the 99% for height. Many of the reviews stated that they thought the bike was too big for the age level listed, 2 to 5 years. That's why I bought it, because he was still using the foot-powered car Hess had since he was 1. His knees come up to his ears when Hess riding it. He loves this trike, it's easy to maneuver and it seems to be an easy transition from scooting with his feet and pedaling on his own. Picture is the Thomas the Train trike. I bought this one for my other grandson who is turning 2. Grandpa put the Harley one together in about 30 minutes. My son put the Thomas the Train one in about 15 minutes.